Ladies and gents, welcome back. It is a toasty evening here, and I just got back from doing a killer ride on the ST, and when I got home, there was a stack of boxes on my front porch. We're getting into modifications. Wes is over for the old supports to help out, and you know, I can't drink coffee alone. That's what we're doing tonight. We're drinking coffee. But anyways, so yeah, first mod on the ST, we're gonna do Thrashin Supply 6.5-inch pullback risers. Let's take a look. So with doing the risers, we are not going to use a lift. That's why I didn't empty out the garage, just because we need to be able to move the handlebars big time. There we go. So the ST has the built-in gauge, and the new riser setup has a little slot for it. So the whole deal with these 6.5-inch risers with the pullback is you do not have to replace your clutch cable, the wiring, brake line. It is a bolt-on system. I probably will run something different, but I'm in a time crunch because we're taking off for Sturgis in a couple weeks, and I didn't want to get into replacing lines and all that stuff this early. We're just a little comfort. We'll see how it goes, and after a couple thousand miles, I'll decide if I want to go a little taller. I normally am into the taller ones, so my Dyna, I think that those are 12-inch risers with about a 1.5-inch bar. So typically I like them a little taller, but the ST, the seating position is way different. You sit a lot farther back in the bike and a lot farther down, which I'm still getting used to. But yeah, it's working out. Thrashin Supply. Why did I buy these? Big reason. Made in the USA. Step one, we're going to loosen up the risers just to break them loose. They are 3/4, and I used a long extension and a nice little swivel just to crack them loose. Now I'm going to take these bolts out, and we're going to pop this off so we can get access to the gauge, because there should be a few bolts back there holding that on. We'll swap that out and then continue on the road. So here we have the gauge set up. The gauge setup just unhooks right here. You use a little pin, push in there, it comes right off. And these little bolts focus, there we go, number 15, and they should come right out. See, all right, just like that. So there's the factory unit, Thrashin Supply one. We'll just set her right there, and then pop this guy right in here. Tighten it down, and yeah, we'll be ready to do the rest of the job. All right, guys, I am super stoked on this. I can't wait to ride it. There is definitely a nice difference where it brings it up a little bit and then back. I just felt a little bit pulled forward with the stock ones. Like I said, I'm used to kind of really tall bars, and this, I don't know. I can't wait to ride it because this might be tall enough, actually. But I don't know, we'll see. We always change stuff. So 6.5-inch Thrashin bar risers, super easy install, no crazy stuff needed. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.